Now, as you can see, I love being fit. Me and you, if it is you that wants to be with me. I'd like to take walks on the beach, go around the world once, twice, maybe even 3 times. I enjoy deep and meaningful moments, and I love to have love.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Razan, and I'm looking for a partner other than my dogs. As you can see, I love my dogs, and I love animals, so my partner will have to love animals. My ideal partner would have to be about 13, brown hair, green eyes, and yeah. So goodbye.
Hi, my name's Chelsea, and I'm looking for a lover. Well, my partner would have to be really hot, sexy like me. Yeah, so if you think that you can jiggle this pot, give me a call. I got my phone on me now.